Yeah, that's the trouble with riding the day after a windstorm.
So I just picked up the GoPro Hero 10, and I wanted to give you guys my initial impressions. Now, first of all, this is not going to be a full-fledged tech review. There's a lot of other videos out there, and if you're watching this channel, you probably have already seen them. But a couple things I noticed about this camera that are relevant to like a casual dirt biker like me. First of all, the camera shoots in 4K 60 and Super View, which is something I really like. Previous GoPros, even the 9, could only shoot in 4K 30 Super View or 2.7K 60 Super View. For whatever reason, they were limited. I like 60 frames a second. I feel like it captures the speed better, allows you better slow-mo like this. And Super View, I think, gives you a better field of view. It's more sort of vertical frame and then more horizontal as well. It gives you a good impression of speed, I think. Otherwise, I think the camera's really good. It's just an incremental improvement over the previous versions. This right here is a really dark trail, dark conditions. It's where the GoPros tend to struggle. You can see that there's some motion blur and the hyper smooth struggles a little bit with this kind of stuff, but it is just a little bit better than the previous versions, I think. Overall, the camera is good. Is it that big of an upgrade if you're coming from the 9? Probably not. But if you're coming from the 8 like I was, I immediately noticed the better battery life and the ability to now shoot in 4K 60 Super View, which I think is a big deal, at least to me. So enjoy the rest of the clip, guys, and check it out. There's more dark scenes coming up, and you can really see how well this camera does in those dark trail conditions. So there it is. That's my quick 30-second overview of the new camera for a casual dirt biker.
Crazy, water's literally coming out of the ground. That's pretty good. Oh, that is slick shit. Let's try that again. Dead end.